It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be unboxing Glossybox. This is a monthly subscription, runs $21 a month, and usually includes 5 to 6 mix of full and sample size products. But before I open it up, I just want to let you know that I did just hit 100 subscribers. I'm doing a giveaway. The link is going to be down below. All you have to do is subscribe and go to the giveaway video to put a comment down so you'll be entered in. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Back to Glossybox. Their packaging is always so beautiful. They have a little pamphlet included, but I'll leave that for the end of the video if you want to do a quick recap. And it's just so classy. I mean, look at this box. It's like perfectly placed together. I believe this is pronounced Jurlique. I could be wrong. It's a rose water balancing mist. And it's supposed to hydrate, restore, and refresh. My face is freshly washed. Ooh, wow, look at that bottle. It is so cute. I love the baby pink. Oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I get it in my eye. It is very strong rose water smell. Oh. So if you're a fan of roses or rose water, this will be for you. I'm very sensitive to smell, so I don't know how much I'm gonna use that. And I guess you can spritz this throughout the day just to like refresh your face. And it's supposed to adjust your pH levels. I don't know about $70 for that. Nope, 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 nope. Miracle Mist by Leighton, Denny. Alright. And this is for speed drying nail polish. I don't know if you can see that, if it's going to reflect. It's non-sticky and will dry your nails in seconds. This runs $14. Is a True Plus Luscious, and this is a camera powder. And it's an invisible setting powder. It's vegan and cruelty free. And that is what the case looks like. That is so cute. Camera lens. And that's the back of it. It's a pressed powder. So that's going to be interesting. Ooh, this is the full size. And this is $29. It's a very thin full size if you ask me. But it's a pressed powder too. It's not a loose powder. I don't know if you can see that. Is it going to catch on camera? Oh, crap. Yep, it might be pressed, but it's very... yeah, it's messy. Maybe I shouldn't have used the brush. It doesn't really have a powder smell. I can't really tell because obviously I put it on after I'd already finished my makeup. But yeah, I'm assuming it's going to work just like a regular setting powder. So that's very helpful. Oryza Beauty, and I've gotten this before. I think I got like a balm. I was not a fan. That's the only product I've tried from them, so hopefully it's not anything like that. And it's $22.50, and it's in the color Lido. I can't pronounce it, and I don't know if you can see it because it's super tiny down there. Ooh, so there it is. There is Lido. Lido is a light one. Do you see her? She's right there. It is gonna go with my eyeshadow, but I don't think she's gonna go with the rest of me. I am gonna put on a lip liner though, because it is really light. Oh yeah, I knew she'd do this light. Lip liner definitely makes it doable. I wouldn't say this is like the color for me though. It's not blowing me away, it's just okay. A little bit on the not gonna buy range. Afterspa. Apparently it's an amazing makeup remover. Wipes away makeup with just water. Sounds like the makeup eraser I actually just got. I'll put that right there if you want to see it. Almost feels like the makeup eraser. But this is $5. This is obviously a lot smaller than the original makeup eraser. I'm gonna go wet this down, steam up my face, and we'll see if it takes it off. it is coming off. I would say that the makeup eraser feels like it does a better job than this. And it's shedding. Look at that. There's like stuff all over my fingers. Alright, I'm gonna try the other side, see if that's any better. It is not. I think I'm just gonna go wash my face. So this does work, but I don't understand why it's shedding all over the place. The makeup eraser, even if I didn't wash it ahead of time, it wasn't shedding this bad. It didn't shed at all, actually. This is like shedding all over the place. This is a no for me. Meh, that's okay. Thanks, but no thanks. Everything that came included this month, and the cost, and I'll see you later. Bye!